Welcome to our latest video where we compare the features and benefits of ChatGPT 4 versus its predecessor, ChatGPT 3. We'll take an in-depth look at what's new in ChatGPT 4 and how these updates can benefit your business. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, you won't want to miss this video. We'll explore the new AI capabilities that ChatGPT 4 brings to the table and how it can help you save time and money. So, sit back and relax as we dive into the world of AI-powered marketing with ChatGPT 4. Using Notion AI to maximize your ChatGPT 4 marketing strategy in 2023 is a smart move that can save you time and help you achieve your marketing goals faster. To do this, you'll need to integrate Notion AI with your ChatGPT 4 platform. Notion AI is a powerful tool that can help you automate your workflow, manage your content, and analyze your data to make informed decisions. With the help of Notion AI, you can create and manage your marketing campaigns more efficiently, track your performance, and identify areas for improvement. You can also use Notion AI to automate repetitive tasks, such as scheduling posts or sending emails, freeing up more time to focus on other important aspects of your marketing strategy. By combining the power of ChatGPT 4 with the efficiency of Notion AI, you can maximize your marketing efforts and achieve greater success in 2023. Integrating ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI can lead to powerful automated lead generation for your business in 2023. To get started, you need to create a Notion workspace and connect it to ChatGPT 4. Once connected, you can create a database in Notion for your leads and set up a pipeline to track the progress of your leads. ChatGPT 4 can then be trained to generate personalized responses to potential leads, using the data from the Notion database to tailor its responses to their needs. As ChatGPT 4 engages with leads, it can add them to the Notion database and move them through the pipeline, making it easier to track their progress and take action accordingly. By integrating ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI for automated lead generation, you can save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately, drive more sales for your business. ChatGPT 4 is a powerful AI tool that can be used to optimize your marketing strategies and increase your revenue. One of the top strategies is to use ChatGPT 4 for personalized content creation. By analyzing user data and preferences, ChatGPT 4 can generate highly targeted and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Another effective strategy is to use ChatGPT 4 for customer support, enabling you to provide immediate and personalized responses to customer inquiries. ChatGPT 4 can also be used for lead generation by automatically identifying potential customers and reaching out to them with targeted marketing messages. Additionally, ChatGPT 4 can be used for social media marketing by creating and scheduling social media posts that align with your brand voice and appeal to your target audience. Finally, ChatGPT 4 can be used for data analysis and insights, providing valuable information on user behavior and preferences to help inform and optimize your marketing strategy. Advanced ChatGPT 4 techniques involve using natural language processing, NLP, to optimize marketing campaigns. NLP is a subfield of artificial intelligence that helps machines understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. By incorporating NLP into ChatGPT 4, businesses can gain deeper insights into their target audience's preferences, behaviors, and pain points. This data can then be used to create personalized marketing campaigns that are tailored to specific individuals, resulting in higher conversion rates and increased revenue. To implement advanced ChatGPT 4 techniques, businesses can use NLP-powered tools such as sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and entity recognition. These tools can help businesses analyze customer feedback, identify emerging trends, and extract key insights that can be used to inform marketing strategies. ChatGPT 4 and Notion AI are game changers in the field of AI marketing, and their potential impact on the future of the industry is massive. ChatGPT 4, with its advanced natural language processing capabilities and improved response generation, can provide highly personalized and effective marketing strategies to engage with customers. When combined with Notion AI, which allows for automated lead generation and real-time analysis of customer data, the potential for targeted and effective marketing campaigns becomes even greater. With the ability to quickly adapt to changing market trends and consumer behavior, the future of AI marketing powered by ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI looks bright. Successful ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI marketing campaigns are those that effectively leverage the power of artificial intelligence to achieve their marketing goals. For example, a travel company could use ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI to create personalized travel itineraries for customers based on their preferences and past travel history. An e-commerce business could use the technology to recommend products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history, as well as their social media interactions. Another example could be a marketing agency using ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI to analyze customer data and create more targeted and effective ad campaigns. These real-life examples demonstrate how businesses can use AI technology to streamline their marketing efforts, increase efficiency, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Building an automated sales funnel with ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI can be done by leveraging the power of AI to create personalized and targeted experiences for potential customers. The first step is to identify the stages of the funnel and the specific tasks that need to be automated. Then, ChatGPT-4 can be used to create compelling content, such as emails, landing pages, and social media posts, tailored to the needs and preferences of each prospect. Notion AI can be integrated to analyze customer data, behaviors, and preferences to create personalized offers and incentives that increase the likelihood of conversion. Finally, automation tools such as Zapier or Integromat can be used to connect the different stages of the funnel and trigger actions automatically based on customer interactions. With ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI, businesses can streamline their sales process and improve their conversion rates while providing a seamless and personalized experience to their customers. ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI are powerful tools that can help small businesses increase their marketing efficiency and profitability. As a beginner, the first step is to understand the basics of AI marketing and the capabilities of ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI. This includes learning how to train ChatGPT-4 with specific data relevant to the business, and using Notion AI to extract meaningful insights from that data. Once this is understood, businesses can begin to develop personalized marketing campaigns that are automated and optimized for maximum ROI. It is important for beginners to start small and experiment with different strategies, while constantly monitoring and analyzing the results to make improvements. With time and practice, small businesses can become proficient in AI marketing with ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI, and reap the benefits of increased sales and customer engagement. To get the most out of your marketing budget with ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI in 2023, there are several tips and tricks to keep in mind. First, it's important to define your target audience and create personalized marketing campaigns that appeal to their specific needs and preferences. This can be achieved by using ChatGPT-4 to analyze customer data and create targeted messaging. Additionally, leveraging automation tools offered by Notion AI, such as automatic lead generation and follow-up emails, can help save time and resources while still achieving maximum impact. It's also important to regularly analyze the performance of your campaigns and adjust your strategy accordingly based on the insights gathered from ChatGPT-4 and Notion AI. By incorporating these tips and tricks, small businesses can make the most out of their marketing budget while still achieving significant results. As a content creator, it's always great to know that people are watching and enjoying your videos. So, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your support and hope that you found the information valuable. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and will do our best to respond to each and every comment. Additionally, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date on our latest content. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.